technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lok Sabha witnessed high voltage drama today as Union Home Minister Amit Shah introduced the Constitution 130th Amendment Bill 2025 along with two allied bills that gave a legal framework that will lead to the removal of prime ministers, chief ministers as well as ministers who spent 30 consecutive days in jail on serious criminal charges. Now, the moment Union Home Minister Amit Shah stood up to introduce the bills, opposition members erupted. They trooped into the well, shouted slogans, and some even tore copies of the bills. From the opposition, it was AIMIM's Asaduddin Owaisi, Congress MPs Manish Tiwari and KC Venugopal who led the charge, calling this move as unconstitutional and a hammer blow to federalism. Now, amid this entire drama and ruckus, the Speaker was forced to adjourn the House twice. The government is now accusing the MPs of the opposition of resorting to gundagardi and hooliganism. Charges are being levelled against TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee, who in turn claims that it was Ravneet Bittu who resorted to aggressive behaviour. First, watch how the Speaker reprimanded the opposition MPs for their unruly behaviour in the Parliament. But before that, let's get you the breaking update that has come in. These are details that we have accessed at times now. The inside details of how this entire ugly showdown unfolded in the Parliament today. As per sources, opposition MPs disrupted Home Minister Amit Shah's speech. They tore and threw papers. When the 130th Constitutional Amendment Bill was introduced, opposition MPs tore the copies of the bill and threw them towards the Home Minister. This ruckus was first sparked by TMC's Kalyan Banerjee. From the Treasury benches, several MPs rushed to defend the Home Minister and tried to stop the protesting opposition members. NDA MPs Ravneet Bittu, Kamlesh Paswan, Kiran Rijiju as well as Satish Gautam kept on trying to hold back the opposition MPs who were shouting slogans near the Home Minister. Now, Congress MP KC Venugopal tore the papers and threw them, after which other Congress MPs followed suit.
फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर है, ये है, हम लोग बोला चोर चोर वोट चोर, वो भी बोला। उस टाइम उधर से उधर का आके बिट्टू आके धक्का दिया फास्ट। बिट्टू मंत्री है, उसको रिजाइन करना चाहिए। महिला के ऊपर अत्याचार कर रहा है बीजेपी।
दादा विप्लव देव ने आपका नाम लिया है कि विप्लव देव ने आपका नाम लिया, कल्याण बनर्जी ने फेंका है पेपर अमित शाह के ऊपर।
विप्लव देव का आंखों में कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया, उसका कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया। हम वो क्यों हुआ वो नहीं बोलेंगे। किरण नेतृत्व से हम में तो 2 हाथ दूर में था, हमने नहीं रखा, हम लोग सब दूर में था। वो लोग ये से उतर के इधर आया।
आप क्या स्पीकर के पास जाएंगे?
वो बाद में देखेंगे।
All right, let me go across to my colleague Niyamika, who's joining us for more on this. Niyamika, we are telling our viewers the details of exactly what happened and how reportedly all the Congress MPs followed what Kalyan Banerjee did there, throwing papers. Of course, the entire ruckus that disrupted the Parliament session. But as far as the more details that are still trickling in and the action taken is concerned, what more are you hearing?
Well, since the time Union Home Minister Amit Shah was introducing these bills within Lok Sabha, we have seen that how the opposition members were continuously raising slogans and they were protesting against these bills, because we have listened to various voices coming in on the part of the opposition parties as they were basically claiming that these are undemocratic bills. These bills are against the constitution, against the federalism of this country, and that is the only reason why they were continuously opposing these bills. But the manner in which there was a ruckus which was being created by the opposition members, they were continuously trying to disrupt the house by raising slogans, and by we have seen the visuals as well, that how the opposition MPs had also tore down these copies of the bills and thrown it towards the Union Home Minister. At that point in time also, we have seen that how several of the BJP MPs have also come out in open to stop these opposition members to do such kind of an unruly behavior within the Lok Sabha. But on the other side, it is Kalyan Banerjee who is now making these allegations against Ravneet Bittu by saying that he was the person who was basically trying to push the opposition MPs, which is not acceptable at all, and that that is the only reason why such kind of protest was being done by the opposition members. But clearly it is the BJP which is basically making this allegation against the opposition members as well, that they are doing gundagardi, they are doing hooliganism within the Lok Sabha by opting out such kind of an unruly behavior by throwing the copies of these bills towards the Union Home Minister, by continuously disrupting the house, and that is the only reason why such kind of a dramatic visual was being seen within the parliament today. Continuously we have seen that how the opposition parties are saying that these bills are basically an attempt on the part of the government of India to disrupt to attack the opposition led state governments, and that is the only reason why such kind of laws are being bring in by the government of India regarding this entire matter. They are saying that it is basically an attack upon the federalism of this country, and that is the only reason why they were continuously opposing this bill.
Right, Niyamika, let me come back to you, and of course we will keep getting more information from you as